I'm RJ. I'm the technical trainer here at Truma. Welcome to the shop. Today we're going to be going over decalcification on the Truma AquaGo water heater. To start, we're going to turn off our incoming water and drain the water heater. Once it's drained, we're going to take our tablets. They come in a pack like this, purchasable on Amazon. You're going to take all 6 tablets out of the packaging and go ahead and fill them into the filter like you guys see here. Sometimes they do stick when they go in. Just go ahead and press as hard as you can to get them in place. If for whatever reason they don't go all the way to the bottom, that's okay. Just put the last tablet right here at the top and slide the filter in. So we're going to go ahead and slide the filter in place, pulling up on the yellow lever to lock it back in. Turn your water back on. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once we've refilled the water heater with water and we're ready to go ahead and gauge the clean mode, we're going to go to the CP Plus screen here. Go to the bottom right hand corner where the wrench icon is at. We're going to go ahead and give that a click. Scroll once to the right, select AquaGo. Scroll once more to the right, select clean mode. And then once more, once it says start, give it one more click, and that will engage clean mode. Within about 10 to 20 seconds, you should hear the pump engaging on the water heater. Now that we've gotten the process started, for the next 2 hours, the water heater is going to cycle the solution through, cleaning out all the scale buildup inside. So for the next 2 hours, we just need to hang out and wait for the water heater to complete that process. Of cycling the solution through the AquaGo, it's going to go ahead and need to be rinsed. Now the dial, if you're using the dial controller, will change from a slow flash to this rapid flash we're seeing here. If we're using the CP Plus, it's going to change from saying clean on the screen to saying rinse. And that's letting you know you're ready to rinse. Now to rinse the AquaGo water heater, what we're going to do is go inside the coach and turn on a hot water fixture. We are going to let water run through the water heater for the next about 20 or so minutes. You're going to need 8 gallons to flow through the water heater to flush it out. Once it's flushed out, the screen will change, giving you an error code. That error code means decalcification is finished, and you can go ahead and select Eco or Comfort, whatever your preferred operation is. Thank you for joining me here in the shop. Please reach out to Truma if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll see you next time.